Heathrow Airport briefly suspended all departing flights after unauthorized drone activity was reported near its runways, triggering immediate safety protocols. Just after 5 p.m. local time, the Met Police confirmed multiple drone sightings, prompting Heathrow to halt departures while anti-drone teams, including military-backed radar units, were deployed to assess and clear the airspace. Flights resumed about an hour later once officials deemed it safe. This incident echoes the chaos of Gatwick's 2018 drone crisis, which grounded flights for nearly 2 days and stranded over 140,000 passengers. Since then, Heathrow has invested heavily in counter-drone technology, including radar detection and UAV neutralization systems. A criminal investigation is now underway, with authorities reminding the public that operating drones within 5 kilometers of any UK airport is a serious offence that could lead to fines or prison. While no injuries or collisions occurred, several flights were delayed and passengers were urged to check with their airlines for updates. Heathrow's fast response shows how seriously drone threats are now treated by global airports. With drone technology more accessible than ever, incidents like these are likely to rise, raising the question, should stricter anti-drone laws and enforcement be rolled out worldwide? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more aviation updates.